Salam, خوبین? Today we're going to learn the Persian superlative construction to compare more than two things in Persian. The Persian superlative suffix is tarin. We can use it with any adjective except for khub to make the superlative form. You remember that our basic adjective for small is kuchik. By adding the comparative suffix tar, we make its comparative form kuchiktar. And by adding the superlative suffix tarin, we make its superlative form kuchik, kuchiktar, kuchiktarin. And our basic adjective for big is buzurg. So the comparative form is buzurgtar and the superlative form is buzurgtarin. Similarly, for bad, we have badtar and badtarin. For garm, we have garmtar and garmtarin. Sard, sardtar, sardtarin. Sakht, sakhtar, sakhtarin. Asun, asuntar, asuntarin. Gerun, geruntar, geruntarin. Arzun, arzuntar, arzuntarin. With the exception of khub, behtar, and behtarin. The word order for a Persian superlative adjective phrase is exactly the same as English. The superlative adjective goes before the noun it modifies. Let's see how this looks like in context. You already know that the youngest is kuchiktarin. So to form the adjective phrase the youngest child, we put our superlative adjective kuchiktarin before our noun bache and form the phrase kuchiktarin bache. So a sentence like I am the youngest child would be man kuchiktarin bacham. And for a superlative adjective phrase like the oldest child, we put buzurgtarin, the biggest, or when comparing age, the oldest, before the noun bache, and end up with buzurgtarin bache. So a question like are you the oldest child would be to buzurgtarin bachei. Now take a look at the vocabulary and tell me how we can say, in my opinion, Monday is the worst day of the week. به نظر من دوشنبه بدترین روز هفته است. Summer is the hottest season of the year. تابستون گرمترین فصل ساله. Winter is the coldest season of the year. زمستون سردترین فصل ساله. In my opinion, Japanese is the most difficult language in the world. به نظر من ژاپنی سخت‌ترین زبان دنیاست. In my opinion, Persian is the easiest language in the world. به نظر من فارسی آسان‌ترین زبان دنیاست. Tehran is the most expensive city in Iran. Or more literally, Tehran is the most expensive city of Iran. تهران گرونترین شهر ایرانه. Water is the cheapest and the healthiest drink. آب ارزونترین و سالمترین نوشیدنیه. And in my opinion, چهارشنبه سوری is the best festival in Iran. Or more literally, the best festival of Iran. به نظر من چهارشنبه سوری بهترین جشن ایرانه. Perfect. Now you know how to use the Persian superlative construction to form words like buzurgtarin and kuchiktarin. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.